Hey guys, I'm Seema from Seemaclay Jewellery. Today, our entire world is fighting coronavirus. This is my garden, and connecting to nature has helped me a lot during this lockdown. I started growing different herbs and flowers in different pots. And you know what? I always forgot which seed I have put in which particular pot. So to solve this hassle, I decided to make plant tags for my pots. My plant tags helped me to remember which seeds I have planted in which particular pot. Today I'm sharing with you a quick overview of the steps how I made my plant tags. So let's get started. These are the materials that are used for making plant tags. I'm using some natural mint leaves for giving texture to my clay. This is a sharp blade for cutting. I have alphabet stamps for embossing the plant name on polymer clay. This is a Zato knife, and we have an acrylic roller for rolling the polymer clay. I'm using polymer clay Fimo for my work that needs baking. You can use any brand of polymer clay, any color of your choice. In fact, you can try this plant tag concept with any type of clay. You can use polymer clay, you can use Fevicryls molded, you can use air dry clay, cold porcelain, ceramic, terracotta, or any clay that you prefer for making your plant name tags. It's just about using the concept in the different type of clay. I decide to utilize lot of leftover chunks of different colors of clay for making this plant tag. I picked up some Fimo Effect mint shade, there was some Primo green, some pearl white, translucent white, dark green, apple green, and many more small bits here and there. I just chopped all of them into small pieces and conditioned my clay. In case you are new to polymer clay world, then I'm sure you are having tons of questions in your mind. I'm sure you are asking, what is polymer clay? What is it made of? How it is different from terracotta? What is air dry? What is ceramic? Can I use molded? What tool should I use? What surface I should work on? How should I bake the polymer clay? What is a pasta machine? How do I put hooks in polymer clay? Can I use crystals in polymer clay? Can I use paint on polymer clay? And I know there is a very long list of questions in your mind at this moment. It's very natural to be curious and have all these questions. So, to help you with that, feel free to reach me at 9980472151, which is my personal number in India. You can join my personal online class in which in only 3 hours, I will take you through the complete process of polymer clay jewelry designing from A to Z. And you can start your own production just right after the class. If you have any questions, please comment below under this video. I will be very happy to help you with the answers. Coming back, let's continue with our plant tag. I will roll the clay in my hand gently to make a ball. That way I will ensure that there are no cut marks or cracks and the clay is seamless. After this, I will elongate the clay and roll my clay in pasta machine at a thickest setting. I will roll my clay in pasta machine at the thickest setting, and this is what I got. I shall fold this clay into 2 equal halves, overlapping each other. Now while folding, make sure there is no air trapped, otherwise your clay will get a crack when you're baking. While the clay is having a double layer, take a scale and measure the biggest possible width and length. Make sure that we do not count the irregular areas on the edges. Here, as per this calculation, we can make a 5-inch long and a 1-inch wide plant name tag. I will take a help of the template to design my plant name tag. So I'm going to take an ordinary paper and fold it into 2 halves lengthwise. Keeping the dimensions in mind, I'm going to draw the shape that I need. And then cut it with the scissor and utilize that on my clay. I will place the clay on template and rub it gently so that it doesn't shift again and again. I'll follow the template and using the Zato knife I will cut the clay from sides. The cut marks are very loud, so I'm going to massage the sides and the top around the plant name tag cutout with my fingers to give a smooth finish and have no marks. I'll prefer cleaning the surface of the clay before I actually start stamping. Using these alphabets, I will press the letter one by one on my clay. I want to make a name tag for a mint plant, so I'm going to press the word mint. Once I have finished writing the name, I will give an organic texture using the mint leaves. Press the mint leaves on polymer clay in the way you like. Put them randomly wherever you feel it's good. Once you are done pressing all of them, remove the mint leaves one by one from the polymer clay. You will see a beautiful organic mint leaf texture is left behind on our plant base of polymer clay. You can start shading the name mint with the colors of your choice. I will start filling the leaf veins with dark green shade first and then continue with all the leaves one by one. I think filling the tip of leaves with the blue color will be very nice. Now I'm shading them with the fresh green color. Continue this process of shading one by one with the colors of your choice and your plant tag will be ready. Once your plant tag is ready, Bake your clay as per the instructions of the brand of polymer clay which you used for this particular project. You can use the same concept with polymer clay or any other clay of your choice. In fact, using the same concept of polymer clay, you can make personalized keychain, name boards, spoon, card holders, anything that comes to your imagination. Friends, I am a plant lover and I want to know which plants you have in your home, in your balcony or in your garden. Please comment below this video and tell me. I would love to know that. Also, I'm curious to understand what was the first thought that came to you once you learned the entire procedure of making polymer clay plant tags? What exactly came to your mind? I would love to read your comments in this video. And a very important thing, also comment and tell me which is the next video that you want me to do for you. I have one humble request. If you found this video useful and you want me to continue making more videos for you, please encourage me by hitting the subscribe button and give a thumbs up for starting next video for you right now. And hey, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that we stay connected and you get notified every time I post a new video. So gift yourself a hobby that turns you into an entrepreneur, and until next video, lots and lots of love and take care. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.